Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our grammar part. Okay, today we are going to learn the grammar part. And today the topic that we are going to learn is the pronouns. Today we are going to discuss about pronouns. Okay, so pronouns, what are pronouns? Pronouns are they are the part of a speech. They are a part of a speech that are used in place of a noun. In a simple way, we can say that pronouns are the words that replaces the noun. As you know already, you have learned till now, right? आपने अभी तक पढ़ा है that what are pronouns? Pronouns क्या होते हैं? Pronouns are the words जिसको हम हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? सर्वनाम. जिसको हम हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? सर्वनाम. These are the words that we use in place of noun. ये हम noun की जगह इस्तेमाल करते. We use it in place of noun, right? So today we are going to see. Okay. Now let's have an example. अब एक example देख लेते हैं. See. So here I have written one small 3 to 4 lines. Okay. So just read out this one. Rahul is a student of this school. Rahul studies in class 9. Rahul's younger sister also studies in this school. Rahul's younger sister's name is Rani. Rani is in class 3rd. Rahul and Rani are good children. I like Rahul and Rani. Now see, in the sentences, in the given sentences, I am using the name again and again. I am using the name again and again. मैं कौन सा नाम लगातार use कर रही हूँ? Using again and again Rahul, right? So every time, है ना? Every time I am using the word Rahul. So instead of using every time the same name, I can replace the name with a pronoun. I can replace the name with a pronoun. And so the pronoun that I am going to use for this word, as you know the basic pronouns that we use the first person, second person and the third person pronouns, right? We studied this one in the last year. So see, Rahul, the first we are going to recognize it is, right, it's a name. Rahul is a student of this school. Rahul. Now in place of Rahul, what we can write? Yes, he studies in class 9. Rahul's younger sister. Now again, again, here in place of Rahul, what we are going to use? His younger sister also study in this school. Again, Rahul's younger sister did. Again, in place of Rahul, what we are going to use? His younger sister name is Rani. Now again, in place of Rani, what we can use? She is in class 3rd. Now, Rahul and Rani. So, I am going to use like he and she? No. They are plural. So, what I am going to use? They. They are good children. I like, again, Rahul and Rani. In place of this, I am going to use them. So, now how the sentences are going to be changed? Rahul is a student of this school. He studies in class 9. His younger sister also studies in this school. His younger sister's name is Rani. She is in class 3rd. They are good children. I like them. So like this, in place of a noun, we are replacing the noun words with the pronoun. We have replaced the noun words with the pronoun. So we have seen what are pronouns and we have seen how we are going to use the pronouns in the sentences. So as per the use of pronouns in the sentences, the pronouns are divided into different kinds. Okay. So as per the uses in the sentence, the pronouns are divided into different kinds. So now we are going to see the kinds of pronoun. There are various kinds of pronouns. So first of all, we are going to see the first one, that is the personal pronoun. That is the personal pronoun. As you know that personal pronouns are the pronouns that we use in the place of a name, place or a thing. Okay. So there are the mainly there are the in personal pronouns there are mainly two types. That is the subject pronouns and the object pronouns. Subject pronouns means the pronouns that we use in the place of a subject. As you know that a sentence is made up of subject plus verb plus object, right? As you know this one, a sentence is made up of subject, verb and object. So whenever we are changing the names or the place or the things in the subject place, the pronouns that we are going to use are called as the subject pronouns. And whenever we are changing the names, place or thing in place of pronoun, so in the object place, so they are called as the object pronouns. अगर हम subject के place के change करते हैं, we are changing the subject place. जो subject place में जो pronoun use करते हैं हम उसे कहते हैं subject pronouns, और object place में जो pronouns हम use करते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं object pronouns. Now let's see. Okay. So the first one, I we use in the subject pronouns. इन्हें हम subject pronouns में use करते हैं. I को हम लोग object pronoun में क्या use करते हैं? I is going to be used as me. We is going to be used as us. You is going to be used as you. Again you. He is going to be changed into him. She, her. It. And they is going to be changed as them. So these are the uses of the pronouns as a subject pronouns and an object pronouns. Okay. Now we are going to see the common mistake that many students used to make, right? So common mistake is like how they are going to use the pronoun I and me, like this. I or me. I we are using as a subject pronoun and me we are using as an object pronoun. So what are the common mistakes we usually do, right? So see, I have written over here 4 examples. इसमें से one of them is correct and rest of all are the wrong one. Okay, so we have to find out. So see, first we will see the sentences. The first one, I and Rahul went to the market. Rahul and I went to the market. Rahul and me went to the market. Me and Rahul went to the market. So we have to find out which are the correct sentences. Okay. Now, see. So as I told you that I is going to be used as a subject pronoun and me is going to be used as an object pronoun. यानी I subject के place में use होगा और me object के place में use होगा. तो let's see the fourth sentence. फोर्थ सेंटेंस देखेंगे तो देखो यहाँ पे we have used the word me. हमने यहाँ me use किया है. But as per we know that in the place of me हमको क्या subject के place में क्या use करना है I, और ये तो कहाँ use होता है object के place में, right? So this one is the wrong sentence. Means me and Rahul went to the market is the wrong. क्यों wrong है? क्योंकि यहाँ हमने me use किया है. Me word is used as an object pronoun, not as a subject. ये object के place में use होता है. So again it's a wrong. Now again see the third sentence. Rahul and me went to the market. Again ये पूरा subject है तो me again यहाँ पे use हुआ है. So again it's a wrong statement, right? Now let's see the first and second statement. Okay, we are going to see the first statement. I and Rahul went to the market. I and Rahul went to the market. Now we have used as a subject pronoun. It is the correct one, right? As we have used this one as a subject pronoun. This is the correct one. But grammatically it is correct. Grammatically it is correct. But whenever you are using the two names, always remember that the other person name should be taken first. Other person. It makes the sentence very impressive and it makes you more polite. It's grammatically correct. I and Rahul went to the market. But the correct form of the sentence is the second one. That is Rahul and I went to the market. Whenever you are saying this, you should say the second person's name first. It will give a good impression and it will show your politeness. It shows in the sentence a politeness. So Rahul and I went to the market. This one is the correct answer. Okay, like this you should also need to take the correct pronouns whatever you are going to use in the correct sense. Okay, you have to very take careful. Like in you isn't common. Again, whenever you are saying you and I, always you have to say you and I, not never say I and you, like this. Okay, and in the last, whenever you are using that one in the object place, there also you need to say me and you and me. Whenever you are going to say you and me, not me and you. Whenever you are going to use that one in the object place. So these are the common pronouns that we are going to use. They are called as the personal pronouns because they are using for the name, place and the thing. We are replacing that words with this one. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to see the next kind of pronoun. So the next kind of pronoun is the demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are the pronouns that we use to point out a specific thing. Is used to point out a specific thing. Point out something specific. That is, we use to point out that is very specific. Means that belongs to a particular person. For example, this is my house. In this sentence, this is my house. ये मेरा घर है. I am demonstrating. I am referring to this house. मैं इस house के बारे में बोल रही हूँ जो किसका है? मेरा है. So here this is acting here as a demonstrative pronoun. Are those Mrs. Kumar's children? So here are those. क्या वो Mrs. कुमार के बच्चे हैं? Means that children. They are representing as those. As children, it's a plural. So we are using the word those. So demonstrative pronouns are the pronouns that point out something specific. That is, point out to something specific. किसी एक particular चीज को refer करते हो. For example, these, those, that, this, like this. There are some examples of demonstrative pronouns. Now we are going to see the other kind of the pronoun, that is the interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun, as the name suggests, interrogative means asking the question. Asking the question. Whenever the pronoun word is used to ask a question, it is called as the interrogative pronouns. Now there are some the interrogative words. What are the words? What, which, who, whom, whose. These are the interrogative words. So now how you are going to use this type of words? Okay, these pronouns. Okay, suppose, so, what. So first off we are going to see the what and which. What and which. What, whenever we are going to use the what word, we are going to use it for general purpose. For general question. For some general question, the word we are going to use what. What हम कब use करते हैं? जब हमको general question पूछना है. वही whenever we are asking about something specific, कुछ specific चीज के, कुछ particular चीज के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं, at that time the word we are going to use is the which. Now see example. Suppose we went to a restaurant. Suppose हम एक restaurant गए and there we have ordered. There we went and we have taken our place and now the waiter came and now we are going to give our order. हम अपना order देना चाहते हैं. So I am asking to you. मैं तुमसे पूछ रही हूँ. What do you want to eat? Okay. Now it's a restaurant. वो एक restaurant है. So there are so many things to eat. Menu वहाँ पे menu card रहता है and there are so many things to eat. So वहाँ पे general means general में मैं पूछ रही हूँ. What do you want to eat? What? क्या खाना चाहते हो? तुम क्या खाना चाहते हो? Means general. There are so many items are there. उसमें से क्या खाना चाहते हो? So the word what I used here is what. What do you want to eat? So now I ask a question. What do you want to eat? तो मैंने पूछा आपसे कि आपको क्या खाना है. But now the waiter what he replied? Okay. So now the waiter replied. Now the time is. Now it's the time is closing time. Now we are going to close, and so only 2 items we are available now, that is the Manchurian and the noodles. तो वेटर ने कहा कि अब हमारा क्लोजिंग टाइम है और अब हमारे पास सिर्फ 2 ही आइटम है, दैट आर द मंचूरियन एंड नूडल्स. सो now I have only 2 options, so I am very specific. So I am going, what now the question I am going to ask to you, अब मैं क्या पूछूंगी आपसे, which do you want to eat, which, अब तुम क्या खाना चाहते हो. now I am very specific क्योंकि अब हमारे पास 2 ही आइटम है, either we have मैगी और noodles or Manchurian, right? So I am very specific. At that time the word what I am going to use is the which. So for the general purpose you are going to use the what, the word what, but for specific purpose what you are going to use, the word which. Understood? So general question के लिए what, but whenever you are specific about the things, for example, which of your eye got hurted, दोनों आंखों में से कौन सा है, 2 eyes are only there, so कौन सा, which eye, which your finger had broken, कौन सा finger टूट चुका है, like this. Means whenever you are specific about the thing, at that time you are going to use the word which. And for general question, for general purpose, you are going to use the word what. Now like this same as we are having the words who and whom. Again, these are also the interrogative pronouns. Now when you are going to use the word who, whenever you are getting the answer in the subject, whenever the answer is in the subject place, अगर उसका आंसर सब्जेक्ट प्लेस में, एट द टाइम यू आर गोइंग टू यूज हु एज एन सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन. और अगर जब उसका आंसर, दैट क्वेश्चंस आंसर इज व्हेनेवर द क्वेश्चंस आंसर इज इन ऑब्जेक्ट प्लेस, एट दैट टाइम यू आर गोइंग टू यूज द वर्ड हु. फॉर एग्जांपल, हियर आई हैव रिटन वन सेंटेंस, राहुल विजिट हर फ्रेंड रोहन एट द हॉस्पिटल. सो राहुल विजिट करता है अपने फ्रेंड रोहन को एट द हॉस्पिटल. राहुल मिलने गए अपने फ्रेंड से, रोहन से, कहाँ पे, हॉस्पिटल. सो here now if I want to ask the question as an answer Rahul, तो मैं पूछ रही हूँ dash visited Rohan at the hospital, कौन मिलने गया था हॉस्पिटल में. so answer what I am getting, Rahul, and Rahul is in subject place. so हम क्या यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे, who. means whenever you are getting answer as an which is in subject place, at that time you are going to use the word who. Who visited Rohan at the hospital, Rahul. Rahul is in subject place. And then another, dash did Rahul visit at the hospital. now राहुल किससे मिलने गया था, राहुल किससे मिलने गया था, राहुल रोहन से मिलने गया था. so यहाँ पे अब रोहन कहाँ पे, ये it is in object place. so what I am going to write here, whom. what I am going to write here, whom did Rahul visit at the hospital. राहुल किससे मिलने गया था, राहुल किससे मिलने गया था, रोहन से. so whenever you are getting an answer that is in the subject place, at that time you are going to use the word who. and whenever you are getting the answer that is in the object place, that time you are going to use the word whom. I hope till here everyone understood. Okay, and the rest of the kinds of pronouns we are going to see in the next video. If you have any doubt in this video, you can ask me in the doubt session. Thank you.